In this video, I am completing first 15 problems of the seventh grand test. So this problem, by looking into this, even x square if you assume as t, 1 plus t square, 2x dx as dt. In the conversion process, it is x remains. So again x will be root t. Again solving will be still radical powers are there, further difficult. So some kind of strategy we have to use to solve this integral, that is 2 by 1 plus x power 4 dx of times 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square by 1 plus x power 4 dx of times 1 plus x square by plus 1 minus x square by dx. So 0 to infinity. So dividing with x square, we get 1 by x square minus 1. Yes. Here, to convert in a simplest form, I will write x square plus 1 by x as plus 2 dx. Here, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 dx. Here, two integrals. I will write I1, I2. I1 here for finding, if you take t, x as 0, 1 t approaches minus infinity. X as infinity, t approaches infinity minus 0. The first integral will convert to minus infinity to infinity. Here it is 1 plus 1 by x square dx as dt. dt by the second integral, I will take this as m. So then when x is 0, 0 plus 1 by 0, infinity. When x is infinity, infinity, this is minus dm by whatever may be the function between same limits. That is, I will write here integral a to a of x dx is 0. So this is even function. Once function is even, I will write here minus a to a fx dx is 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Even means condition is this condition. So if you replace t with minus t, no change, 2 times 0 to infinity, that is 2 tan inverse t by root 2, tan inverse infinity pi by 2 minus tan inverse 0, which is pi. 1 by integral 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. It is pi by root. But half is there. Final answer will be I, which is pi by 2 root. This is the answer. Here, we have a coordinate axis. There is a straight line which is passing through the point 2, comma. Different lines will have different slopes. So equation of a line y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. So if m is 0, y minus 3 is 0 means y equal to 3 is parallel to x-axis, no triangle. If m is non-zero, then y minus 3, here if you take to find out area, we need x-intercept, put y0, you get x as 2m minus 3 by m. To get y-intercept, this OB, put x as 0, this will be minus 2m plus 3. So area will be half x-intercept into y-intercept, which is equal to 12. 2m minus 3 whole square. Mod the square, you don't have any problem. Directly you can remove modulus. Mod of x square can be written as x square. So I can write 2m minus 3 whole square is here m greater plus 24m, m lesser minus 24m. Plus is related to this, minus is related to this. So 4m square, both cases, 6 into 12m, 12 plus 20, 36m. If you take plus 24, here discriminant if you find b square minus, that is greater than 0, 2m values are possible, means 2 lines are possible. Discriminant second case, when m is less than 0, you have 4m square minus 6 into 12. So you'll have a minus 12 plus 24m plus 12m plus 9. You'll have a perfect square. You'll have only one value of m. Here two values, here one values, totally 3m values. That means 3 lines are possible. If n positive integers are taken at random and multiplied, positive integers, n means 10, 20, 30, 40, any. But solving problem from infinite numbers, practically, logical sense you think, then only will have a solution. Last digit of the product is this. Generally, last digit can be either even or odd. Suppose 12 into 15 you take, even number 0. 12 into 7, 84. Need not be two numbers, 3, 4, anything. 17 into 5. Units place can be any number. Units place can be any number from 0 to 9. That is 9 with 10 ways are possible. Hello. Hello. So 10 ways are possible. But to answer this particular question, to have 2, 4, 6, 8, first what I am doing is to have one other than 5 I am choosing 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is other than 0 and 5. There are so 8 possibilities. Why I am choosing not considering 2 comma 5? If you take 5 into 4, 0 will enter. But finally, we should not consider 0. Whenever 5 into some even number comes, 0 will come. So I want to avoid such a possibility. Right? So why I am avoiding 0? 0 into some other number comes 10 into 18. Units place 0 will come. But in the units place 0 is not there. That 0 is possible with 5 or 0. So those numbers I am not considering. So units place how many ways? 8 ways. So probability of getting above mentioned numbers in units place is 8 by 10, 4 by 5 ways. This is not with, maybe there are 3 digits here, unit digit, maybe it may be 5 digit, any digit number. Here it may be any digit. So to get such number, if there are 3 digits, 3 numbers, 4 by 5 whole, but he said n positive integers. So number of ways of getting the n getting above mentioned numbers, these numbers in the units place. Here I'll write above mentioned numbers. Units place is 4 by 5 whole power n ways. Right. So now problem is in this we have a certain trouble. 3 into 7, 21. So if you want to take directly even number, many cases you have to consider odd, even, right? Even. So here to overcome that, what I am doing is I am solving the problem in negative way. So I am trying to remove getting odd number in the units place. 5 also units place, I have not taken 5. So with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 actually, that 5 I have not taken. These numbers in units place, if they come, that possibility is ruled out. Then you have only, so the required possibility straight away it will come 2, 4, 6, 8. This, so to get these numbers in the units place, for each number 4 by 10 possibilities. So here it is 2 by 5 whole power n. So now number of ways of getting mention numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 is nothing but earlier it is 4 by 5 power n minus 2 by 5 power n. It is, these are the possibility. So third option is correct. Here, don't think R as real. It is a relation. Relation contains ordered pairs which satisfy condition. So that means how to list elements of this is not R. This is not real numbers. It is a name only. What kind of ordered pairs will be there in this set which satisfies this condition? For example, 1, 1. Is it there or not? How do you check? So you substitute in the condition greater. So this condition is satisfied. 1, 1 will be there. 1 minus 2. Is it there or not? Then you have to consider this condition. 1 minus 2 less than 6. Not satisfied. So 1 comma minus 2 won't be there in real numbers. So then let us list. Listing means infinite numbers. So practically not possible. Then without listing, how do we check reflexive property? Means you should know what is reflexive property first. Reflexive property will be whenever A belongs to real. I'll to show some difference between R and R, I am taking R. A is here. This stands for real number. This stands for set name. A must be there in the R. When do you say A will be there? It has to satisfy this condition. 1 plus AB. In place of B, if I take A, 1 plus A square obviously will be greater than 0. A square is first, which implies A comma A is there in R. This is property. I am able to prove that such an element is there. So it is reflexive. Then what is symmetric property? Whenever AB belongs to R implies BA also must be there in R. So BA, when do you say 1 plus AB is positive, 1 plus BA also positive. That means BA will be there in R. So whenever this condition is satisfied, we say R is symmetric. To prove relation is true, we have to give generalized. To disprove, one example is enough. So here, whether it is symmetric or not is the question. What I am doing here is I'll take minus 2 comma 3. 1 minute. I'll take minus 2 comma let me write half. So is it there means 1 plus AB. 1 minus 1 0, it won't be there. It's symmetric. First property, AB, whenever AB, BC is there, it is stands to property. Whenever, it's not compulsory that they should be there. Whenever they are there, AC must be there in real. So here I will take two elements must be there and first first coordinate of first ordered pair, last coordinate of third ordered pair as a ordered pair. If you consider that is there, then we say symmetric transitive. Otherwise, no. I will take here 1/3. In this case, it is there in R because 1 plus minus 2 into 1/3 is positive. Now I will choose 1/3 comma another number minus 1 or plus 1. Okay. So now these two are positive, which it definitely says it's obviously belongs to R because 1 plus 1/3 positive, this ordered pair will be there in the relation. Now A, B, B, C. Now if I consider minus 2 and 1, so this won't be there in R because 1 plus minus 2 into 1, it's not positive, it is negative. So it is reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. For finding independent term in this expansion, we have a certain formula. R is then TR plus 1 is middle term. Sorry, TR plus 1 is independent term. So here R is N, there is 9, P is 3, P plus Q. 3, 2 plus P is how much? 2. 18 by 3 is 6. T7 is independent. Value will be 9C6 minus 1/3.6, which is same as 9C3, 3 into 2 into 1. So here it is how much? 84 into what is also there? Into 1/3 power 6. So here it is 28 by 3 power 5, 243. This kind of problem I discussed in last grand test also. So f dash x, he given f dash 0. That means there is a use of f dash x. Basic definition minus f of x by h. Limit h tends to 0. To use this definition, I am writing as f of 2x plus 0 by limit h tends to 0 according to the definition. F of 2x plus f of 0 by h. So simplification, it gives you f of 2h minus f of 0 by 2h. Here I'll write limit x tends to a, fx minus fa by, which has a formula f dash a. So it is nothing but f dash 0, which is given as. So here I'll write y as fx, f dash x will be dy by dx. So dy by dx we got minus 1. Y here is minus dx. If you integrate, we have to write minus x plus, but he given f of 0 to find out arbitrary constant. So f of 0 as given as 1, c will be 1. So f of x becomes, f of 2 becomes minus 1, that is fourth option. This type of problems You can just substitute any number. So comfortably, what I suggest you is go for if you take 111, for example, let us check. X as 1, Y as 1, Z as 1. You have 311, 21, and 112. In determinant procedure, you know it. 211, just first column, second column repeated. 8 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2. Here it is 2. 10 minus 6. So where we get 4, suppose you substitute first option, you get 4. In the second option also you are getting 4. So second and fourth are ruled out. So to differentiate it, I suggest you to go for one different number, then problem will be obviously solved. That is in the beginning itself, by seeing option, we could have gone for some other number so that one more attempt won't be there. I prefer calculation point of view -1 so that easy for calculation. So now also let us see whether the same or not. If you prefer 1 minus 1, here I get 2. Here it is -1. 1, this is what? Finally 2. So here you get -2. Yes, this can be differentiated. So here 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here it is 2 into 0 minus 1, other procedure of evaluating determinant. 1 into so -2 plus 1 minus 1. So -2. Obviously, first option is correct. Here A, B are 3 by 3 matrices. So A is given as AB. That is AB into AB. Its associated matrices satisfy associative property. That is AB of C will be A of B. That is from this A of B of AB. A of BA of B. So here BA will be BB. It is AB of B. So AB again given as A. So this AB is A. Similarly, you can show B square also B. Here this problem, X whenever root is there, to eliminate, when X is 8, T will be 3, X is 15, 15 plus 1, that is 4. So dx will be 2t dt. X is t square minus 1 minus 3 root of t square. So we get 2 times 3 to 4 t square minus 3 minus it's of the format 1 by 2a log of x minus c. 1 by 2a log of log of 4 minus 2 by 4 plus 2 minus log of 1 by 5. Which is 1 by 2 minus log 3 plus log 5, half log 5 by 3. Sorry, stop. Here single letter P R O V A P I L I T. 3, 5, 7 plus 4. There are 11 letters. Vowel. Vowel is O A I I. Simple, that is 4 by. Only thing here is, so since I appear 2 times, so then we have to take one. So we are discussing about single letter. So we have to proceed in this way only. So in the frequency distribution, mean minus mode equal to 3 times mean minus mean here is 21. Median we don't know. Median is 22. So here it is minus 3. X is 24. An ellipse of eccentricity 2 root 2 by 3 is inscribed in a circle and a point within the circle is chosen at random. Probability that lies outside. So whenever he's asking about regions, whenever they are asking about region, so outside ellipse means here this is the radius pi r square. Here ellipse area pi AB outside means here this. So point lies outside means pi r square minus pi A. Point should be inside the circle. So this is in terms of regions we have to find out. So since it is says inscribed, it just touches what I want to show here is ellipse can't be like this. Mm, So okay, not this block one, this violet color which touches. So R becomes A. a square minus ab by a square, which is 1 minus b by 2. So we know that in eccentricity, in ellipse, relation between AB so which is 1 minus 8 by 9, it's 1/3. So B becomes 3A. So sorry, this is 3B becomes A. So B by A is 1/3, sorry. So the probability will be 1 minus B by A is 1/3, which is 2/3. The equation of a circle. Here, if there are two circles which are intersecting, through that some other circle passes, say this is S0, S dash 0. Here radical axis, this circle equation is radical axis you get just by subtracting. So minus 6x plus 14. So here circle equation, easier circle I can take, you can take any circle, lambda change, but result will not change. Passing through 1 comma 1, 14 minus 6, minus 4 by 8, then circle becomes minus of into minus 6x plus 14. Minus of minus 3x plus 7. Plus 3x minus 7 is minus 13. Minus 7, minus 6. So option is not there. Verse minus 6x minus 8 minus of here I think I made plus 8 correct. 14. I took a circle passing 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus lambda is 8 minus of minus 3x plus 7 plus 3x minus 7. Fourth option. So integral e power x. So x power 5 plus 5x power 4 plus 1 dx. Just to differentiate the options, look at this e power x, 5x power 4, x power 5 into e power x. Right. So this one const 5x power 4 e power x is there, x power 5, but e power x, so this can't be the answer. Let us check this. E power x, 5x power 4, x power 5, e power x. Again e power x if it 100% this is there. So otherwise, other procedure, whatever you have, first e power x, so write in this order, x power 5 e power x, e power x into 5x power 4. Right? This and they get cancelled out. E power x plus integral e power x dx also there. 1 minute. So I evaluated this. I got x power 5 e power x minus plus 5 times integral e power x is e power x plus. So second option. Here